Huh?
Look, here comes the wave.
There's one left behind.
He's like, where'd everyone go? We're going back in.
Here comes a
Look,
wave.
Here comes the wave.
Oh gosh.
Oh. Run! They're getting far away now.
Oh my gosh, they go. Oh, that one just got caught. That was a big one.
Oh man. I bet you they're having so much fun.
Look at that one. That one just like sprinted.
Yeah.
He's like having a good time down there. Look, there he goes. These women probably think we're taking pictures of him. So like, what are these white people doing?
Yeah.
Stupid white people.
Taking pictures of black people
Taking
at the beach.
pictures of us. I never seen black people at the beach.
Yeah.
Just kidding.